Welcome to my comprehensive review of Salesmate CRM, an innovative customer relationship management platform designed to streamline sales, enhance productivity, and provide valuable insights for businesses of all sizes. In this video, I'll walk you through the platform's standout features, usability, and overall performance based on my personal experience. Let's begin with the dashboard. When you first log in, you're greeted with an intuitive and user-friendly interface. The layout is clean and straightforward, providing quick access to key functions like deals, contacts, activities, and reports. Customization options are abundant, allowing you to tailor the dashboard to your specific business needs, which is a huge plus for teams that prefer a personalized workflow. One of the standout features of Salesmate CRM is its robust sales pipeline management. You can easily create and track deals across multiple pipelines, with visual cues to help you identify progress at a glance. The drag-and-drop functionality makes it incredibly simple to move deals between stages, which is both efficient and satisfying to use. Automation is another area where Salesmate shines. From automated follow-ups to task scheduling, the platform helps you save time by automating repetitive tasks. This functionality is especially useful for busy sales teams that want to focus on closing deals instead of getting bogged down with administrative work. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Make sure to check them out after watching the video for additional insights and tools that can complement your CRM strategy. Salesmate also boasts a wide range of integrations, including popular apps like Slack, Google Workspace, and Zapier. These integrations enable seamless data flow between platforms, helping you maintain a cohesive ecosystem for your business operations. The built-in email and calling features add even more convenience, making it easy to communicate with leads directly from the platform. The reporting and analytics tools in Salesmate are powerful yet easy to understand. You can generate detailed reports on your sales performance, pipeline efficiency, and team productivity. These insights are invaluable for decision-making and identifying areas for improvement. Pricing is another critical aspect to consider, and Salesmate offers competitive plans that cater to different business sizes and budgets. There's even a free trial available, allowing you to test the platform's capabilities before committing. Overall, Salesmate CRM is a feature-packed solution that balances simplicity with functionality. It's well-suited for small to medium-sized businesses looking for a cost-effective and scalable CRM. I highly recommend giving it a try if you're in the market for a tool to streamline your sales processes. Thank you for watching this review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and insights on business tools. See you in the next video.